Punjabi khichdi is easy to make and delicious to taste. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel with a pot full of health. This easy peasy Punjabi khichdi recipe is a people pleaser, and if you love easy recipes that too healthy and delicious, stay tuned until the very end to see how to make Punjabi khichdi in a jiffy. If you are feeling unwell, this is the recipe to try, my dear friends. Or if you don't want to stand or simmer in the heat of kitchen for too long, try out a Punjabi khichdi recipe. So for this recipe, you need 1/4 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of masur dal. You may take red lentils or brown lentils, and then half cup of moong dal.
Double.
Then wash the lentils and rice properly, rinse it really well, and leave it aside to soak for at least half an hour. I always use the water in which I wash my vegetables and lentils to water my plants. So this is how our soaked mix looks like, potpourri mix looks like. So now strain and 1 teaspoon of oil, add jeera or cumin seeds, add ginger paste, stir and then add tomato puree, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, black pepper powder, and rice. Add water. Now, the ratio of lentils, rice to water will be 1 is to 4 or 1 is to 5 if you want it to be an extra watery consistency. Now, pressure cook for at least 4 to 5 whistles. Open, stir really well, mix it well, and then serve with nimbu ka achar, khatta mita nimbu ka achar, on and a dollop of ghee on top of Punjabi khichdi is a blast of flavors. Enjoy healthy khichdi recipe. Bye bye.